Hey guys, welcome back to Michelle's Blackstone. Today I'm gonna make some Parmesan Crusted Cod and some loaded radishes. It is Lent. Let's elevate this and let's make it delicious. Let me show you how. All right guys, the loaded radishes take a little bit more time, so I'm gonna start with those. I got the air fryers warming up, I got the griddle warming up. Let's get cooking. I'm just gonna cut off the ends on my radishes, and then I am gonna cut them up like so. Threw down some oil. I'm just gonna put down our radishes, and as those are starting in, I'm gonna cut up some shallots. Shall we? Throw some shallots.
Shallots.
Shallots for the great foodie, the phenomenal Mr. Food.
So for a little bit of flavor, let's throw down a little bit of butter. Had to make sure there was no paper in it. And let's put our shallots. All right guys, in our dredging station, let's put a couple scrambled eggs. Let's mix in some almond flour and some Parmesan. We are just gonna mix this in, kind of stir it around. One thing I love about these air fryer pans is that they are multi-purpose. You can use them for everything. I have a couple sets that I'm using today because I like them so much. All right guys, so to our almond flour mixture, I'm gonna add a couple seasonings. Let's spice this up and give it a good flavor. I'm gonna add some blackened steak seasoning and pineapple sriracha, both made by Blackstone. Measure with your heart, guys. Okay, stirred in, and let's coat our fish.
Fresh fish! We catch them, you buy them!
My air fryers have been warming up, so I'm now gonna take our cod and we're gonna dredge it in our dredges station. So right into your egg, right into the mixture. I'm gonna kind of pat some on. Let's go all around the sides here. Right into my Blackstone air frying pan. Into the air fryer.
Into the thick of it. Oh.
Five minutes is up. Let's flip our fish. Let's pull them out. Looking great. All right, guys, let's give this a try. Our good old air fryer fish. You can serve this with some tartar sauce. I have loaded radishes and Brock slaw. Yep. That pineapple sriracha, perfect. And guess what the good part is? It's too good to be keto. I'll see you guys back next week.